Hi again, this is Kyle Kapitsky at Harbor Investments. In this video, we'll be talking about the Harbor Investments Third-Party Money Manager Advisory Agreement. This form is used whenever an advisory account is set up, but the advisor is ultimately not managing the money and the assets are at some third-party platform, and that third-party money manager is managing the assets. This form, as you can see on your screen, is 3 pages. The first 2 pages are disclosures that need to be handed to the client. The last page is what we require back. As you can see, the very first section here is client name and account type, much like the other advisory agreements. In this case, you'll put the client name and the account type in the first box, the program or / manager name in the second box, and the custodian in the third. So giving you an example, it could be John Smith, IRA, Q3 as the manager, and then the custodian could be TD Ameritrade. Section next is discretionary trading. Just like in the original advisory agreement, the advisor has the discretion to move the assets around from one manager to the other without prior client approval. Again, this is optional, and the client would need to initial if this were the case in this particular account. Lastly, client signs and dates it, and the advisor signs and dates it. This is the Third-Party Money Manager Advisory Agreement.